Front one. Pritoma, put your head straight, sweetheart. Two from the bottom. That's it. It's not done. It stands now. Then I use U-pinch to join this and this together. And that's done. I don't need much pin. It's done. You might need to, if you practice, you might not need more pins. Hema, she had about 50 pins and it was still wiggling. Okay? So you got to have that right pin to have only few pins. Now, all the seniors.
Because we didn't use that black thread, that's why. I use only pins.
We use black thread. You better use it. Okay? So, all the juniors until junior Pushpanjali only need a white flower here. I'm not tying because we are running out of time, okay? Seniors, you got it. Orange flowers. This, okay? I'm just leaving like that. Please don't get upset watching poor baby like that. But darling, you're looking pretty, okay? And some loose flowers. Normally, I would suggest bottom orange flowers, just like you showed me some orange flowers. Yeah, you have white and orange. Take it out.
I have orange flower like gajra.
Big gajra. Make it double, attach it and put more at the bottom. I'll show, she's got two. Assume that you have a big gajra, right?
Yeah.
So I'll show you. Are you hurry up, mummy?
I don't have that today.
You showed me, right?
Yes.
Who showed me?
Yes, me.
Oh, can I have them? Sorry. Somebody. Not you. Sorry. Can I use them once to show? Give me all white and red you have got. I'll tell you, if you have white and red, how nice it looks at the bottom. Those are the flowers I'll be giving her. You need to use like that. Okay? And a chalo in between, in her mouth. No, see, you only need two. Okay, I won't undo this. Okay? See, you need to go like this. Red at the bottom, white on top. Okay? And just turn this side, sweetheart. See, you need to do near the ear. The reason why you need to do the ear, because when you see from front, it should be seen from the bottom. If you do it here, who's going to see? Now, no, nothing is seen. So you got to do from here, underneath the hair, till there. Right? So this much clear will work on full session. Okay? I will show you how to tie the jewelry. You need to tie the jewelry first and then do this. Okay? So next session will be 2-hour session for the makeup, which would be Saturday, I'm hoping. Is that okay? So Sunday, I need one Sunday free for myself. The reason why, I need to freshen up for something else. Yeah. I haven't done any preparation for her. Rachana. I haven't choreographed the item yet. So, that's why. Okay, so this is the hairstyle, right? So this is one way of doing the hairstyle with this one or the other one. And these ones who are taking with me need to take the bits. Those who want the bits, first come first. I don't have many. So you need to decide.